Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm doing good. And first of all, thank you for connecting with me. And I'm really excited and delighted to have a conversation with you. Thank you for giving the opportunity. Thank you so much.
It's all.
And
Yes.
I'm doing great. And thank you for asking. And how about you, ma'am?
I'm also doing really great, ma'am, and it's all my pleasure because even I was also wanted to chat with you, to talk with you, and I'm feeling thrilled for our conversation. So, ma'am, would you like to introduce yourself for our channel?
Yeah, why not? Sure, sure. Yeah, my name is Shivani. I'm basically from Himachal Pradesh and currently based in Delhi. I have completed graduation and also having a diploma in electronics mechanics, and I'm working in private sector. If I talk about my hobbies, I love singing and like to watching podcasts and reading books. That's all little about me.
That's
Thank you.
great. That's good. That is not at all little. Mom, you're doing so many things at a time. You have so many feathers in your cap. Okay. So it's really very
Yeah.
nice to hear that. So shall I introduce myself?
Yes, yes. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
As we are meeting very first time, Shivani ma'am. My name is Shamal.
Yes.
I'm connecting you from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm a phonic
Oh,
teacher, mother to two handsome sons, enthusiastic Kathak learner, full-time homemaker. Nowadays, I have been my bonnet about polishing my English language. And as far as my education concerned, I'm commerce graduate. I've done post-graduation diploma in international business. Then I worked for an MNC for a couple of years, but due to family responsibilities, I had to quit. Then after some time, I did ECCA, then certified phonic course, and then onwards, I think since 2018, I've started my classes, phonic classes. And nowadays, I'm learning Kathak. As it is my hobby of dancing, so I'm learning Kathak. And my hobby is I have plethora of hobbies, but dancing, listening to music, and nowadays I have completely immersed myself into this language because I have immense love about it. I want to polish my language. I want to enhance my skill. So this is pretty much about me. And lately, I have started channel to make myself consistent to learn this language for betterment for myself. I've started this channel because I was not at all consistent in my learning. So I thought that if I start the channel, I would be consistent. And yes, I am giving my 100% to it. So it is pretty much about me.
wow,
Yes.
that's great introduction, and you have you are doing lots of things at a time.
Yes, thank you very much, ma'am. Yes, so
Okay.
what made you interested in learning this spoken English?
Okay. Actually, what happened? I was trying to learn before starting this journey, but I'm saying truly, I was not very much consistent, and I start and then unable to continue due to many reasons. Yeah, but from April month, I started this journey very seriously, and I am very consistent now. So yeah, and uh, from starting this journey, I'm becoming very confident, and I'm able to uh, explain my thoughts, ideas to anyone. So yeah, it's really helpful for me. So
Yes,
yeah.
that's great. That's great, ma'am. Would you think that if when we start this language, when we start to speak it, as you said, but still, do you really feel more confident as compared to your previous version?
Yeah, it's very true. Before I was means I was very underconfident, and I'm confused about the things what I need to say and what do next. Yeah, it's really confusing for me. But since I started this journey, I am very confident and very much aware what I need to say next and how
Yes.
to handle the things. Yeah, so it made me it is also improving my English fluency and also building my confidence.
Well said, ma'am. Well said. Actually, when we speak this language, even I resonate with you totally. When we speak this language, we think about it, what we are going to speak, right? And when it was in our mother tongue, we were completely habitual to it, so we could speak anything at any time. But when it comes to this second language, that too in English, so we think a lot before it, and that thing makes us to think twice, and we start to do that good thing. I would say the good thing. We start to improve by the positive way, because see, when anything happened, like when you said something to somebody, might be it good, might be it bad, but if it is bad and you speak without thinking, then you will have to face that consequences, or something will happen, that person will get hurt, and the definitely consequences will be the really bad, worse. And
Yeah.
if any kind of situation is going on, and at that time all of a sudden you come and say anything, that time you worsen that situation, right? So this language makes us to think twice before you speak, and because of that
Yeah.
we enhance our confidence as well as our communication skill, and which led to our personality development. Am I right?
Yeah, absolutely correct. I totally agree with you and I can relate you. Yeah, when we start speaking and we articulate our thoughts in a right way, so I think it's very helpful and to build our confidence and we are very much aware what we are doing and what we are saying. Yeah, that's
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes,
yeah.
very true, ma'am. So, uh, what kind of person are you? Are you a morning
Uh,
person, or the night person, or the enthusiastic person, or you easily get into your cocoon? What kind of person are you?
Yeah, okay. Actually, I'm little bit uh, introvert, but not very much. And
Okay.
I'm introvert because of lack of confidence. Because I look in my past, in my childhood, that I I have some memories where I start many things first, where while it is speaking, while it is singing, while it is dancing, so I'll start first. But after some time, I don't know what happened, but yeah, I become little introvert type. Maybe lack of confidence and lack of knowledge, and maybe I'm unable to speak English. Yeah, it can be. But yeah, so but now I'm enthusiastic person. I'm able to speak anyone and deliver my thought what the way I want.
Wow, that's great. That's great. Because sometimes admitting some things about ourselves, people feel difficult. People hesitate to it. But you clearly said everything since your childhood. Yes. You admitted all the things. Yes,
Yeah,
that's great.
because
That's great. Yes.
we should be aware of what we feel inside. I think
Yes.
we should
Yes.
be aware.
And we are the only person who know us inside out, right? From
Yes,
how
true,
we
very
are
true.
from inner side, how we are from the outer side. So when we come to people, what we behave, we know. When we alone,
Yes,
how we behave, we know. So how we are, that there is nobody else's better than us can tell that how we are, right? So are you the morning
yes.
person or the night person?
Nowadays, nowadays I'm night person because I'm working on my YouTube channel. So I have to first I came back from office and prepare some food for me and for my husband, and then I start recording. So yeah, so and it take more time to
Yes,
record
it
yourself.
takes a lot of time. Yes, very true.
Yeah,
Yes.
so nowadays I'm a night person because yeah, I have to do many of things. So okay, but no worries because when you enter this world, so please go with that. And after some time, it may be become some easier when you got the idea because when you start your journey, you don't know actually what you need to do, and you need to learn many things, kind of recording and then editing, and before you speaking you need to prepare the script, what you are saying, and you need to take many of shots
Takes.
your
Yes.
recording. Yeah, so yeah, but after some time you got habitual, and you got more clarity, means you got the ideas what you
Yes.
want to
Yes.
do.
Yes.
Yeah,
After
so
some
yeah,
time,
so
it
it's like
it becomes like a cakewalk, right?
yes, we can
Yes.
say, yeah. So yeah, so it's now nowadays I'm very familiar these activities.
Habitual to it. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? I means while learning this language, our mindset is more important than memorizing things. What is more important?
Could you please repeat?
Do you what is more important while learning this language? What do you feel? Be it our mindset or the memorizing lot and lot vocabulary in idioms and phrasal verbs and pouring out in front of people by memorizing.
Okay,
Okay, so memorizing is
okay.
important for you or the mindset is important. What is more important?
Oh, okay. Well, honestly, I'm saying I think both are important in their ways. Where if we talk about mindset, yeah, mindset it's really important. If we are not prepared by our mindset, then I can say we are unable to learn we are unable to learn anything in our life. So mindset is important. So because it gives you clarity, confidence, and the roadmap. And about if I talk about memorizing the things, it's also important because without memorizing the things, maybe it's difficult to manage the things in a
Hmm.
right way.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So yeah, both plays uh, important role if you have started something in your life. Yeah, so both are important as per
Hmm,
my
yes.
opinion. Okay,
Yes.
and what about you? What do you think?
Well said, ma'am. But I would like to add here one thing that initially memorizing things bit difficult, but if you have that positive mindset, right, you can easily get into anything. And by the time if you work upon and you have to work upon your skill, polishing it by memorizing things, by adding vocabulary into it, then it will come. And if your mindset is always positive, you can face any kind of critical things or hurdles and you can overcome of it, right?
True.
So I would say the mindset will play the first role into any kind of learning thing. And at the same time you have to ready for doing for like burning midnight oil, right? If you have the as I will say that if you have the talent and if you are not ready to pour it, if you're not ready to polish it, if you don't want to be consistent, if you don't have mindset that I have to do these things, I want to conquer my goal. So that time if you don't have mindset, then that even though you have knowledge, it will be waste, right? So both the
Yeah,
things are important, but first of all your mindset should be clear and your mindset should be positive towards, because any kind of failure you have to face. See, now we are into this YouTube platform, on the YouTube platform. Initially, what we were thinking and by with what kind of mindset we came, it was different, right? But eventually, when we started to recording things, we started to editing everything, then posting, uploading. That is also a really difficult task, right? What to mention, what not to mention, how to give the description, what should be the hashtags, everything we have to think a lot about it, and it was not at all in our mind. It was not at all
True.
were in our mind. Actually, we were not thinking about it. We just started to post the videos. We just started to just, I'm going to post my videos. But when we came on this platform, then there were many things to do, right? So initially, one thing is really very important: facing camera, dealing with people. It is not everybody's cup of tea. So if you have that mindset, then you can get into anything, and by the time you have to polish yourself to survive over there, because with your talent you can open the door, right? But your confidence, your mindset will keep that doors open for you. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, absolutely correct. Absolutely. Well, you have explained very well.
Thank you
And
very much.
yeah, it's yeah, and it's really important your mindset because without a positive mindset, I think we cannot achieve anything in our life. So with positive mindset, we can achieve anything in our life. So start with positive mindset. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Would you like to ask me anything, ma'am?
Yeah, I have
Please go
one
ahead.
question. So yeah.
Yes.
So, do you think planning is important to achieve our goals in our life?
Yes, ma'am. If you have the
Okay.
roadmap with you by your planning, because planning is the way you decide your everything, right?
Yes.
If you have
Yeah.
that concrete roadmap with you, then you can go you can go step by step, right? After A, your B is there. After B, your C is there. What I have achieved now, my next step is this thing, because that step by step, again, I'll give you the example of YouTube. When we came to YouTube, we were just recording our videos and all those things. But when you came to know that there are many things, plethora of things, numerous things are there to master. So we made plan. As you said, scripting is really very important before hand of recording anything. So we have to do the
Yeah.
plan. Now we have started these things, as we are homemakers as well. So we have to prepare everything one day before, right? So what should be
Yes.
my breakfast, what should be our lunch and dinner, and then in between whatever time I have, in that time what am I going to do? Shall I going to do the only shots? Shall I going to do the conversational videos? Everything should be planned, right? Because of planning, you can sleep really very well. If
Yeah.
your planning is messed, then your sleep will also messed, because at the end of
Yes.
the day you will think, you will definitely reflect that those things, that whatever I thought, I didn't do anything. I couldn't achieve that everything. I couldn't match my goal, my today's goal. So if you go with that short goals, with that short big plannings, and if you go with that short goals, your planning will definitely gives you whatever you want. And planning is the
Yes.
real
True.
roadmap, and it is really very important for any kind of thing, any kind of thing. Might be the one
Yeah.
day planning, might be the your tour planning. If you are completely planned for your tour, you can enjoy that picnic, right? You can enjoy that tour.
True.
So planning is really
Yeah.
very important from my perception.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely correct. And I want to add more points in that. Actually, planning gives direction us
Yes.
where you want to go and what to do next. So it's really important. Direction is really important. Then it really saves our time.
Yes.
When we have plan, we don't think much, and we start our work what we are going to do. So then it also reduce our stress You also talked about that we are able to sleep if we
Yes,
have a planning.
yes.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
maintain.
and
We can keep our sanity with our planning, right?
yeah, true. And then it increase our productivity because sometimes what happen, we feel someday we feel very exhausted, but didn't we didn't do nothing in whole the day, but we feel exhausted. So being it increase our productivity, I can say. And then it also builds our confidence when
Hmm.
we are planning something, and in short level we are able to achieve the it's a like it's a 1 day plan or 2 days or a 1 month plan. So when we look back, then we it builds our confidence.
Yes.
So yeah, yeah. So I also say it's a planning is must. Without planning, I think you may be lost.
Yes, definitely, definitely. Because if we are directionless, so we feel like headless chicken. Because sometimes what happen when though you know your goal, right, and you don't have anything with you, anything planned with you, you just know the goal. So how could you achieve that goal without planning? It is
Yes.
quite impossible. Quite impossible.
Yeah, yeah. It's impossible
And it, as you
because
said,
luck.
it. Yes.
Okay.
You go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm saying. Yeah, I'm saying luck doesn't work every time. I think our actions work.
Action works, definitely. Well said, ma'am. Well said. Because sometimes you can dodge the bullet with your luck, right? But it won't
Yes.
happen every time. It won't happen. Because
Yeah.
sometimes, see, if you plan a picnic, you just plan a destination, but you haven't planned your picnic, and you just pack your bag, and next morning you're going for the to catch the train, and then you come to
Yes.
know that for the train which I've came here, for which I came here, that will be in the afternoon.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
in those 6 hours going to west, 4 5 hours whatever in your hand that going to west, then your journey will again extend, right? So
Yes.
whatever you
Yes.
have planned your day, I means about just fun. That fun also will be like exhaustion for you.
Yes, true, very true. Without planning, I think everything is exhausted.
Hmm.
Exhaustion,
Yes.
yeah. Yeah, and
Yes.
there is a quote, a dream without a plan is a only wish.
Wow, thank you very much, ma'am. It's really nice saying. Yes, a dream without
Yeah,
plan, it's just a wish. Yes, you can
just a
say
wish.
daydream.
Yeah,
It's a daydream, right? It's just
yeah,
a daydream.
yes,
Yes, yes, well said,
yeah.
ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so do you have any more questions?
So, are you spiritual person?
Yeah, I'm spiritual person.
That's great. So, how much spirituality plays role in our life? What do you think? To how much extent it plays a role?
Okay, honestly, I'm speaking. It plays vital role and very crucial role in our life. When you believe in someone means the power higher than us.
Yes.
So it really helps to go in a path easily, and you have the belief, you have belief on the universe, on your God. So I think, and for me it's really works. Before 4 years back, I'm kind of spiritual person, but not into like okay, every time doing puja worship and all that. Yeah, but I don't know, something changed inside me 4 years back, and then I started. And yeah, it's totally, before 4 years that I was person. Today I'm totally different person. and I'm very positive person, and I'm able to understand the things, why it's happening, and I sometimes something bad happened to us, but
Oh,
and we questions to God or our loved ones why it's happening to me. But when you have the power, when you have the uh,
positive.
belief in, yeah, and positive, and yeah, you have belief in your in higher power, then you are able to understand the things why it's happening, and you have the clarity, and means you don't get into the mess, and you able to handle the and tackle the situation.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah, it's very important if you are a spiritual person. So yeah, it's totally different. And what about you?
Yes, I couldn't agree with you more, ma'am. It's really well said. When we have that belief in Almighty, so we will definitely think positive, because see, things happens. You have to go from through and think because it's part of your life. But you know, somewhere in your heart, someone is there to help me. So you definitely be always ready to tackle that situations, right? Because ups and downs are there, and we have to face them. Because if you don't have that up and downs, a stagnant life you are living, then there is no progress, there is no any enjoyment, right? And if you don't face those situations, then how could you going to enjoy your happiness, right? So
True.
yes, and because of this higher power, we come to know that we have to face this kind of things, because it's part of our life, and things happen. We have to get over from that, right? Anything can be happen anytime, but we shouldn't be stick into there. We should have to come out of it, and we have to live our life the way we were living before. So that spirituality will give you that strength to face any kind of situation, any kind of hurdle in your life, any hinders, and you can happily live your life without
Yeah.
having more and more wishes in your life, right?
Yes, very, yes, yes, truly said. And you have a belief, something, sorry, someone is behind you, someone is with you, and he is taking care of you. So it gives, means really a power, and
Yes.
we are able to manage the thing easily.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Do you want to ask me anything, ma'am?
Okay, so do you believe in law of attraction?
Uh, yes, I believe in it, but I'm not that much inclined towards
Into
it.
it.
Yes,
Okay.
I mostly believe in positivity. As I said, I am also a spiritual person. I haven't explored it really much,
More.
but I feel it is like that. If you do that positive affirmations, right, and you are positive towards it, and you are giving your 100% to achieve your goal, then law of attraction will definitely work for you. uh,
Yeah, it's
that much I
truly,
can tell you only.
yeah, if we are just affirming the sentences, so I think it really doesn't work,
Yes.
because we have to take actions, and we have to a clear mindset what we want to in our life. So it's really important. Without if you believe law of attraction, what to be we just thought in our mind, I need this, I need that, then it's really not
No,
going to
it's
happen.
not going to work definitely.
Yeah, but the thing is that first of all, you need to think. You have to, you have to find out your dreams. You have to find
Yes.
out your purpose. So I think then universe starts give you the guidance what you need to do, and then he brought the certain people that really helped to achieve your purpose. and also gives you confidence. And because I believe in law of attraction, and I'm a fan of
Okay, that's great.
some, yeah. So yeah, but just we think just by think positive, with positive thinking all the things will happen. So no, it is not going to happen. You
Yes,
have to clear about your thoughts and about your actions, so then it will
yes,
work.
yes.
Without action, it can't
It's
work.
not going to happen because God
Yeah,
also helps them who helps themselves first, right?
true.
So whatever
Yes,
in your
yes.
mind, you have to first work upon it. You have to take initiative for it. Then only you'll get the doors open, right?
Yeah,
Then only.
very true.
Otherwise, if you see if you want to eat, you have to cook, right?
Yes.
So then only
Yeah.
you can get that enjoy the delicacy of that pudding or anything. Without
Yes, very true.
taking efforts, you can't get those things, right?
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
ma'am, here we are almost close to our session. So, how did you
Okay.
feel? Tell me about it.
Wow. Wow. It's a very nice conversation and really enjoyed with you. And as I started recently, but yeah, you made me very comfortable, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you
Thanks a
so much for
lot,
your time,
ma'am.
and you have gave me time at this time. It's really means to me. I'm really very happy and very uh, grateful to you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much,
much.
ma'am. Yeah, it's all pleasure is mine. Actually, even we all are learning. So if we use this platform and when we have time, so why to waste it, right? So I'm that kind of
Yes,
person.
true.
Yes. So thank you
Yeah,
very
you are
much,
very
ma'am,
nice
for
person.
thank you very much, and thanks a lot for sharing screen with me. And I also feeling very thrilled having you on my channel. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank
Bye
you so
bye.
much.
Good night.
Okay, ma'am. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Please share with me the recording. Okay.
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely. I'll talk to you
Okay,
on
but
WhatsApp.
okay, but you told me you are unable to share. Okay.
Yes, yes. If I unable to share, that time I'll be.
Then you